Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is prime my face. I'll be using LA Girl's Pro Prep HD High Definition Smoothing Face Primer, and it's in the shade Clear. For my eyebrows, I'll take my spoolie and go ahead and shape my eyebrows into the desired shape that I want them to be before I draw them in. Before I actually draw my eyebrows in, I always make a guideline so that both of my brows can look exactly the same and it will have a neater finish. I'm going to be using Ruby Kisses by Kiss CNC Concealer, and it's in the shade Beige Glow. To draw in my brows, I'll be using my black Radiance eyebrow pencil, and it's in the shade Dark Brown. As you can see from this size, I love this pencil. It's so smooth, it has a nice texture, and it glides on perfectly, and I always have the perfect eyebrows whenever I use this brow pencil. After I take my spoolie again to evenly distribute the brow pencil through my eyes, I'm going to take my Ruby Kisses by Kiss Super Mascara, and it's waterproof. It's in the shade Clear. And I'm just going to take that and go ahead and go through my eyebrows one more time. This will serve as a glue to kind of pretty much keep them down so that they don't move around while I'm applying other makeup. Also, it leaves a natural finish. To cover my lighter concealer marks, I'll be using another Ruby Kisses by Kiss CNC Concealer, and it's in the shade Toast. I'm just going to go ahead and cover up the other concealer marks I made before I drew in my eyebrows. Now it's time to blend everything in, and I'll be using my Nicka foundation brush to bring down my concealer over my eyes, and it will serve as a primer. The concealer at the top, I will go ahead and blend that in as well, and I will cover it again with some foundation. Now what I'm going to do is take my spoolie one last time and bring that brow pencil up some. This right here is going to make it have a super natural look. I'm going to get into the eyeshadow look now, and the first palette I'll be using is from Nicka. It's their 23 Perfect Matte shades, and the shades are AP035. And what I'll do is I'll leave all the products that I used in this tutorial in my description box in case you want to go out and check it out. So the first color I'll be using was down at the bottom. It was like a light brown shade. That would be my transitional shade. From my Nicka Perfect 9 Colors palette, shades AP018, I'm going to be using that dark brown glitter shade, and that's going to be for underneath my brow bone. The last palette that I'll be using to complete this look is going to be the Perfect 12 Colors Blush and Blossoms from Nicka, and I'm going to be using a dark brown shade, that shade I pointed to at the top. And that's going to serve as my base color. My foundation is from Black Radiance, and it's their Color Perfect foundation in the shade Cocoa Bean. This is my favorite foundation, along with their Black Radiance eyebrow pencil. I love, love, love it. It matches my skin so perfectly. This is the perfect makeup foundation that I have found so far for an affordable price. So this is a comparison between one side of my face having makeup and the other side not having any. Like I just told you guys, this is my favorite foundation, and it really looks like I have nothing on. Now I'm going to apply my foundation onto the other side and blend both sides all in together. To set my face, I'll be using Nicka Makeup Perfection Finishing Powder. and it's in the dark shade. While I let my face set, I'm going to be using my LA Colors matte lipstick for $1.50 in the shade In Love. I was trying to find the perfect color that would just blend in perfectly with my lips so it can set off this natural no makeup look. I'm going to be brushing off the excess powder from off of my face so that I can go ahead and complete this look. Okay guys, so we are at the last and final step, and I will be using my Magic Collection Ultra Shimmering Illuminator Drops, and it's in the shade Candlelight, and that will serve as my highlighter for this look. To set the final look, I'll be using my Absolute New York Spritz to Fix Matte Makeup Setting Spray. Okay, so this is the final look. I'm definitely feeling it so much. I definitely might have to make this like an everyday, quick, natural, neutral type of glam look. I had a lot of fun doing it. Please let me know if you think this is a no makeup look or not, guys. And until next time, bye.